Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will show you how to make a chic mini Christmas tree, and if you think you may be interested in making this project, just continue to keep watching. We are upcycling this Christmas tree. The original color was a glittered gray, and we are going to spray it white and then overlay it with pink so it would look more like frost. Next, we are taking these mini gray Christmas bulbs from the Dollar Tree, and we are just spritzing it with a little pink so that it can give off a look of frost. Next, we are Mod Podging the Christmas tree so that we can apply the glitter. If you're that glam person and you like your Christmas trees extremely glittery, make sure that you put a lot of the Mod Podge so that when you do apply your glitter, you can use as much glitter as possible. On this part, you can't go wrong. You can just pile the glitter on because this Christmas tree is supposed to be more of a glitter, glitzy type of Christmas tree. This is a chic glam Christmas tree that we're making, and we made the deer about 2 weeks ago, so this will be part of our decor with the deer and also the chic glam Christmas tree. It is a little display that will surround our Christmas tree. Give your tree about an hour to dry just so you make sure that the Mod Podge and the glitter is adhering to the Christmas tree so that when it comes time to decorate, you won't have a lot of glitter falling off. So now it's time to decorate, and we just have a few little stemmed berries and some mini bulbs that we will be putting on the Christmas tree. We don't want it too overbearing because the Christmas tree within itself is full of glitter and glitz, but you can decorate yours however you desire to decorate yours. For time's sake, off camera, we sprinkled the little mini bulbs with the clear white glitter to give it more of a frost. And we also sprayed off camera the little berry stems as well. And we did kind of frost and glitter those up too. This Christmas tree will surround our main Christmas tree, and we wanted to give it some height, so we are using a vase. This does complete our tutorial for today, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Till next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.